So connect up the multimeter, and we're going to set to voltage AC. And we'll start off going between the live and neutral, and it should be 230 volts AC plus or minus 10%. Now we're seeing slightly higher voltage than normal here because I've got a lot of PV on top of the roof, and that's produced at slightly higher voltage there. So that's the reason why you're seeing that slight difference. Then we're going to go between the live and the earth, and we should be seeing again around about the same kind of voltages. And checking the communications between indoor and outdoor. So I'll set my multimeter here to voltage, and then we're looking at DC voltage. And what I'm looking for is this variation between 24 down to around about 10 volts. So what we're actually seeing here is the communications going between the outdoor and the indoor